Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tobias and today we are diving into Google Ads search campaigns that only show on mobile using specific bid adjustments. This is more important than ever these days since most of the paid traffic is now on smartphones. People who don't think about this and only optimize their ads for desktop are losing a lot of money. Let me show you how to set this up in your Google Ads account for a campaign. Basically, this is a small and pretty simple adjustment you can make to the campaign, but it's these many small tweaks, like targeting specific audience segments or ad scheduling, that add up and make a big difference in campaign success. Also, since Google will soon switch to the new design, I'll get you familiar with it in this video and explain everything on this new interface. Therefore, first we click on Campaigns, then Insights and Reports. After that on when and where ads showed, and finally we select the Devices tab. Google shows ads on 3 different device types: mobile, computers and tablets. In this case I look at the cost for each device placement, check how many conversions they achieve and see where the cost per conversion lies. For this example we'll look at the Google Ads campaign for a lawyer. The goal here is to generate leads. The campaign started in May and has spent about 891 euros so far. I had turned off tablets from the start because from experience they generate fewer quality inquiries. On mobile devices I had already increased the bid adjustment by 15% in May and about 680 euros were spent here. For computers I reduced the bids by 15% and around 283 euros were spent. Looking at the cost per conversion, you can clearly see why campaigns in the law sector should generally only run on mobile devices. The cost per conversion is 50 euros on mobile compared to 283 euros on computers. So for the continuation of the campaign, I will adjust the bids as follows. Tablets day at minus 100%. Computers I'll also set to minus 100%. And smartphones I can set to 0%. If needed, I can control the bid adjustment through the maximum cost per click in the campaign. If you haven't checked bid adjustments for different devices much, I recommend letting a new campaign run for a month or 2, depending on your ad budget, to gather enough data to make informed bid adjustments. So basically, it's quite easy to adjust bids for individual devices, but many forget these small adjustments which can later lead to high cost per action. That's why I recommend keeping an eye on this for every single campaign. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. See you in the next one. Bye.